how to instantly manifest anything. So when we talk about this, it's extremely important that we understand divine timing. So you know about manifestation. You know it starts from within. It begins with a feeling, our beliefs. We begin to imagine our desired scenario and then feel as if it's already happened. Okay? Very important. So at that moment, when you truly have that feeling, that is instant manifestation. So, divine timing. There's a train. Figured I'd do a video on the bridge. It's beautiful today. Alright, divine timing. Let's walk. The universe does not work on your plan. The universe doesn't work on your time. Okay? You are infinite. You are all timelines, all at once, right now. The moment that you decide, truly 100%, absolute conviction, you have that which you desire. That is instant manifestation. So, a lot of people ask me, well, I've done this, I've scripted, I've been meditating, I've been visualizing. Where are my manifestations? That paradigm that you are placing yourself in of waiting until you have that thing you want, that is where you will stay. Give up. Truly give up. Surrender. Set your intentions. Truly 100%. After that, you need to let it go. The universe will work in divine timing. It's not up to you when your manifestations occur. It's not. You just kind of, you plant the seed. When you plant the seed, let's get another view of this. Beautiful day. So planting the seed. What's up, man? Going into your meditative practices, visualizing, feeling, 100% becoming this person, or, well, how do I explain this? Not the person, but the energy, the feeling, the frequency. When we really break it down, you are not you. You've never been you. Okay? I think it's... How many people have spoken about that? We should all know this by now. We are not us. We are simply a consciousness. We are simply a spiritual being, a consciousness, having a temporary human experience. We are inhabiting this vessel. This vessel doesn't decide our manifestations. This brain does not decide our manifestations. The frequency and feeling which we inhabit, that is what delegates our manifestations. Right now you're manifesting. You may not realize it, but that's okay, because, oh, another train. Oh. I love walking across these bridges. They're so freaking cool. Yeah. Where was I? I totally lost my place. Well, we'll start here. When you think and feel and act every single freaking day when you're doing this, which you are creating the world around you. There's no guessing. Your consciousness doesn't guess. It follows the path you set for it. So, instant manifestation. Let's really get down and dig into this. We are so consumed with this 3D reality that we construct barriers around our consciousness. When I get the thing, I can feel this way when I get there, when I have that thing. No. Act as if. Become it now. Feel the presence of whatever it is that you're trying to manifest at this moment. At this very moment. You're doing it right now. harness it. Take a hold of the reins and allow your visions, your visualization, your feelings, really tap into that frequency, that divine frequency, that high vibration frequency of love. We talk about this all the time. Tap in through meditation. Separate yourself from the 3D conditions. After you've accomplished this, which isn't that hard, you just kind of have to learn that there's so much more to meditation. The feel good, the stress relief, lowering blood pressure, clearing the mind. That's just the tip of the iceberg. That's just dipping your feet in the water. Once we get past those things and we meditate and we stick to this practice, this magical thing happens. We become absolute awareness. There's no other thing. And we realize we are not us. Our thoughts, our mind, our body, it's not us. So I call that intermediate meditation. Advanced meditative techniques would be, ancestral healing, shadow work, stuff of that sort. So to begin your instant manifestation practices, get into meditation and learn and practice to be able to stay centered, aware, separate from the 3D conditions for an extended amount of time. Just 10 minutes. Try 2 minutes. Neville Goddard actually has a very good exercise on this. It's called the leaf exercise. Look into it. That's a good one. That'll really, really help you get in that zone. So, whoa. Let's do a 360. I am walking downtown just for fun. It's a beautiful day. So back to it. You want to get in that zone. You want to be able to hold your attention and centeredness in a neutral, non-judgmental place, separate from the 3D conditions. This is climbing dimensions. Having that awareness is truly 5-dimensional awareness. So once you're in that space, you can create. You can create whatever you want instantly by truly 100% with 100% conviction having the feeling of that which you want to manifest. That's it. That is instant manifestation. I'm going to walk you around a little bit because it's a beautiful day. Check out the mountain or the hills. Yeah, let's walk around a little bit. I'll take you with me until my arm gets tired. Well, what do you think? Should I cut out and come back on the next bridge? There's many bridges. Check it out. See that one over there? That is where I'm walking to. I'll walk across that bridge. It's one of the oldest bridges in the country, I believe. I'll come back at you in a minute. Hold on. All right, we're back. Almost to the bridge. Right there. I'm curious. Comment down below if you know exactly what city I'm in, and specifically what park I'm in, or what bridge I'm about to cross. Thought I'd take you for a nice little stroll through the park. Yeah. Beautiful day. All right, be back when I'm on the bridge. Whoa, we're climbing the bridge. Check this out. I realize this has kind of turned into a little bit of a vlog. If you like this stuff, tell me, I'll do more. Little walk and teach. Check this out. Very cool. Whoa, bus. God. Ain't life beautiful? I love listening to the world work. It's wonderful. Hopefully I don't drop my phone off this bridge. So what do I have planned for the rest of the day? The morning is finished. A lot of stuff has gotten done. Business stuff, spiritual stuff, physical stuff is about to happen. Workouts later. And this might be a good time to touch on walking meditation. Let's shoot that into this video. First, can you see the volcano? Right there. Who can tell me what kind of or what the name of that volcano is? Who knows? Who knows? Tell me in the comments. All right. The walking side. Hello. A lot of good vibes today. I love it. I love it. Everybody I've passed has just been, you can feel it. You can really feel it off of people. They're in their zone and they love the sunny weather. Spring has sprung, my friends. So walking meditation. I wouldn't recommend this to a beginner because there's too much stimuli. It's too difficult to really get in that zone. Do it at home. Do it somewhere where you can really get into that zone and relax and be there and centered and hold it in that, you know, I don't want to say less stimulated environment. When you can do that, go out into the world. Bring that vibration to your walking life. When you're walking, just be. I'm aware. I'm a one. I'm not thinking about this. I'm not thinking about that. What I got to do later. What I'm going to eat. No. Just taking it all in. Also, I'd like to really touch on if you travel and you travel by yourself, you backpack or anything like that, walking meditation is crucial. You can't let yourself drown out to stuff like this. The train, the cars, hustle bustle. There's people everywhere. You got to be open and aware. Just taking it all in. Like a sponge. Just take it in. But also, very important, protection. Learn that separation of oneself to the external world and nothing will affect you. Whoa, bicyclist. Whoa. He was flying. Look at him. Woo. So that's it. If you like this kind of video, you know, comment down below. Let me know. I'll definitely make more. I walk around all the time. So, yeah. You have a good day. Peace.